Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. Today we're playing Mbeumo. We've played them a couple times in the league. We've come out on the wrong side of the sword. Hopefully this time's different. Sit back, put your feet up, and let's get it cracking. Spinksy, what's the most disrespectful phrase in football?
The most disrespectful
Phrase in football?
phrase? Am I allowed to swear?
Yep.
Ref, you're a c***.
Evening, Matt.
How you doing?
How you doing, mate? What's the most disrespectful phrase in football that you want to hear as a player?
What?
I want to hear it.
Well, that you don't want to hear.
Back.
Evening. How you doing?
It's cold. It's chilly one today.
It's very cold. Question of the week.
Oh yeah, I miss these.
What's the most disrespectful phrase in football?
Let him have it. Let him have it. Let him have it. It's a fire.
That's what they say to this guy, innit? Let him have it.
Nah.
Yeah, they regret it.
They say it.
Trust me, they find it in the back of the net.
No, what's the most disrespectful phrase in football?
You don't want it. You know them ones. You don't want it.
You weren't born like this. You don't want it. And that's the harsh reality.
Who doesn't want it?
That is rough, you know. When you hear you don't want it, or let him have it there. He's not going anywhere. He's all left-footed.
Oh, left foot.
Yeah. No left foot.
No left foot. Yeah.
It gets in your head.
Yeah, 'cause
Like,
you try and go on your left.
Yeah, I do have a left foot. Like,
Evening, Jacob. How you doing?
Yeah, good.
Question of the week.
Okay.
What's the most disrespectful phrase you don't want to hear as a player?
So many.
Yeah, you're a goalkeeper, so you probably got loads. Shoot low, you can't get down low. Don't mark him on the corner. He's not gonna get it anyway.
How you let that one in?
You saying, my guy? You good? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, mate.
Ready? Question of the week.
What's the question?
What's the most disrespectful phrase you don't want to hear as a player?
Don't know. Can't think of one right now. I don't know. On the
Oh,
spot. Don't know.
you don't want it.
Like something like that. You don't want it. Do you know what I mean?
You
It
don't-
gets you on your head.
Alright, let's get into it. Early sparring, they move the ball around. Van der Spencer's chance, pounces on it. Takes it into the corner. Gets possession for us early on. Gives it to Matt. Matt keeps it. Starts again. Anyway, they're coming forward now. Riaz nicks it in the middle of the park. Little 1-2 step over, tries to turn and shoot.
Lucky.
That one's wayward. Nice and easy, started well. Now they're coming forward. Actually, no, they're getting sideways, then forward. Now in and out, ball's being moved around. I was speaking to Evander before the game. He said he's been to the gym.
Stronger.
Let me show you.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Just shrugged him off. He is in the mood.
Very strong.
Wow.
But hold on.
Hey, get it back.
I feel like it's a physical game today. 1-0 down. Boys looking like they're trying to get the ball
again if
moved
you need
around,
to,
pop
mate.
it. Mistake in the middle. Oh, torn. 2-0. And they seem very relaxed right now. I'm shouting on the sidelines, get closer to them. Otherwise that
How you let that
happens.
one in?
Alright, we go again. 3-0, but we can turn this around. This is the Fives. So many different things can happen. Anyway, the boy else snaps at it. You see him score them though. Man, loose pass. Jacob with a good save. where standing his man trying to beat his man, gets the pass off to Evander. Evander just bounces off him, but he's battling. I told you, just been to the gym. Chairman said that's a good turn.
Good. Finish
Anyway, this
that
is our chance.
Done it.
Yeah. Finish. Fucking hell.
That's another one we concede. It seems like the ball's just being moved around and we can't get close to them. That's 4. Anyway, the boy Liam's still coming forward. How many step overs? Count them if you can. Let me know in the comments. Gets a shot off. It's gone wide. They seem to be stringing some passes along together. Evander's left his man. Comes forward.
That makes sense.
They punish us.
Hey, come on, boy.
Jacob didn't know that clip would come in handy. It
Is
has.
it last game this time? Yeah, I realise it's going to
Might use it again. Blink it and you fucking miss it. 6-0. We're getting absolutely slapped across the park. And that clip was left into the way that ball was sprayed across the pitch.
Right, just 1-0 Riaz, by the way. Fucking shambles. That's something.
Bit of good football there. You can see the boys slowly warming.
Hey, man, foot, this. What's the other? Oh, fucking hell.
Evander showing us how he really feels, and I respect it. No one wants to lose. We're getting smoked 7-0. It's not even half time yet. It's embarrassing. So's that. Evander wins it back anyway, just to get a shot off.
Hey, it's not far.
Boys on the sideline doing my commentary for me.
That's good football.
Oh, there he is. Lovely. Liam! Good. Ah, look.
Jacob with some great saves there. 7-0. You look like we're starting to warm. Then they piss on the fire.
Yeah, last one, too.
8. Make no mistake.
It's a mental team, though, how good this team is. I'm glad I don't have to play.
Oh my
Fire!
Oh no! And that would have been just vintage cars. It would be the greatest fight of all time. To be fair, I said everyone in our group it should go.
That was disgusting. That goal there. Kyle, that's the best goal I've ever seen. That is unbelievable.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said.
That is unreal.
It's on camera as well. How fucking dumb.
To be fair, if you had a
The
camera
smallest
that
gap
side,
on the football pitch,
Oh, mate, yeah.
I don't know how good it'll look on that.
You had no
one.
right to get through that gap.
Oh no.
Oh, Carl.
Yeah, they seem to be moving it, so you have to keep in mind that if you've got your man, you've got to just stay with him, innit? Whereas you dropped your man a couple of times. Yeah. Lazy. I dropped mine as well.
Well, Rose, you scared or what?
Huh?
You scared?
Nah, he put his body on the line. That's cool. Yeah, I see you got that big one there. You gonna start off?
Oh, you're don't be pussy, you're just play, bro.
I'm gonna play. I know, you know, go on, I'll start.
I don't.
Yeah, trust me, man. Hey, it's only a game, so what?
I'll find that in as your what you don't want to hear.
I want it though.
You on it, yeah?
Hey, don't be scared, bro. Just calm here. Hey, we're losing, so what?
9-0. If they can do it the first, we can do it the second. Match has to get a shot off, it's blocked.
Yeah, like literally at 9 o'clock. The young boys are, they booted off.
Heard the young boys have been causing trouble. Listen on the sidelines.
Some little 14, they said they're 14. They weren't, they're 17.
How old are you? Oh, you're only 16. See you later. No, they're all 17, but they are on the day. They were playing 13. Oh, 14. That's their excuse to get out of anything.
The thing is, as soon as they uttered, oh, we're 14, May was right there, so she was like, well, you banned them. Go on, push the station now,
9-0. Not a bad start to the second half. We haven't conceded just yet. But they seem to be keeping possession of the ball right now. They seem to be enjoying the freedom. And then.
Alright, well done, Evander. How you let that one in?
The camera didn't pick it up.
Sorry, Jacob. It seems like it's a replay. 11 after starting the second half kind of well. Go and concede 2. Do you know, even just watching this back is bringing back the pain that I felt on the day. Heart bleeding. I was feeling like JLS. My heart won't beat again. 12. I feel like putting my hands on the stove right now. It's hot. Getting some shots off and I was off the post. I think to the realization what happened. When that came off the post, I realized it wasn't our day.
Yeah, it's all free. Yeah, don't blame us.
13, blink and you fucking miss it. Matt's still fighting. I think he's taking his frustrations out on the players now. Don't know if he's trying to get a shot off there or if he's trying to get off the backboard. Didn't work. Anyway.
Oh, How
you let that one in?
Instinctive. Rather instinctive. It's brilliant. Raj! What are you doing?
They're having a party at our place. They're winning so much that they brought their keeper out.
You're on.
And then Evander with a quick feet. Maybe could have passed it to Riaz, it was wide open. Keeping it safe.
Right, Brad has been left back on
14-0.
No, not Brad!
It sounds unreal. And then when that happened, it was just, that was it. That was the realization the game was done for me.
30 seconds left.
For us.
Get out to it.
14-0, we're still trying to pop some shots off.
Oh my god, square!
Shows you my luck.
Finish!
They're trying to square it to their keeper who they've put outfield to score a goal. Doesn't score, but he
hello, Brad.
turned into Ozil.
Brad!
The judgment day comes.